What's going on, guys? My name's Billy. Y'all know Chandler. This is a 1994 OBS Ford F-150. It's a two-wheel drive truck, and we're taking it for a test drive. How's it going, y'all? Today we are in a 1994 Ford F-150. This is a regular cab, short bed pickup. It's got 76,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax and a clean Autocheck. This is a really awesome truck. Chandler, what do you think about this pickup?
I like this one, man. Overall, it's a really clean truck for its age. Obviously not perfect, but really shows well. Good color combination, short bed.
Yeah.
I like it.
As for the interior on this truck, I think it's in pretty good shape. I know there's a few love marks here and there, a little bit of wear and tear, but I think for the most part, it's pretty clean. I got a little bit of wear on my driver's door card here, a little bit of wear on the piping just from getting in and out of the truck. I know there's a little bit of discoloration in the dash pad. No cracks, which is nice, but otherwise I think it shows really, really nice in here.
Yeah, it's definitely been well taken care of. Like you said, you know, no cracks or anything here. I have a little bit of barely discoloration there, but, you know, kind of normal stuff.
Yeah.
And this one's kind of unique. You know, you have the vinyl floor with the roll-up windows and manual locks, so it's kind of a little bit unusual, I'd say, which is cool.
It is cool. It is cool. I think so, too. It makes the truck interesting, gives it some character, right?
Exactly. Cool. And less things to go wrong.
Less things to go wrong. That is true. As for the exhaust setup on this truck, it's stock. It sounds fine. You know, you could throw on, you know, an exhaust and get a little more noise if you wanted to. I know that's kind of what Mike always refers to on these trucks. I know that's what you and I would do if it was our truck.
Definitely.
But it sounds fine as is, and it's just a healthy sounding truck.
Yeah, I agree. Seems like it runs great.
I think so too. Okay, and then also on the interior, the headliner's in great shape on this one. So are our visors. They look nice and clean.
As far as the does it work section on this one, super easy. Everything's working. Radio, heat, AC. Actually, this AC is really cold. I've already turned it down a few times just since we've been in here. All the lights, everything like that's working. And you can find all that on our website, pcclassiccars.com. You just want to click on inventory, click on this truck, scroll down, and you'll see the does it work section along with the additional media, where you'll have the VIN number, engine numbers, everything like that.
Alrighty, so now that we're warmed up a little bit, we're gonna get on this 5 liter a little bit and see what she can do. Nice little downshift.
Yeah.
Feels good. Man, it shifts great. It drives great. It's got the power. We say it every time we're in one of these trucks. It's got enough power to drive like a normal truck, or a new truck, I should say.
For sure. This one seems like it runs great. I mean, it's really smooth over here on the passenger side.
Sounds good. Sounds healthy. Shifts through the gears nice. I mean, you couldn't really ask for much more than that. Yeah. All my gauges work. I can tell where my oil pressure is at. I can tell where my voltage is, fuel can, everything works. So that's what you're looking for. Now, as for the exterior of this truck, it's in great shape.
Yeah,
it shows
it's clean.
really well. Now, is it perfect? No, of course not. You know, it's a 1994, but it looks wonderful.
Yeah.
Little touch-ups here and there. Once again, all of this information can be seen in our additional media section on our website. But I would say on this truck, it's extremely minimal. On the top of the tailgate, you'll see some wear from loading things in and out of the truck, as well as the top of the bed. I'd say those are the two areas with the most actual scarring. Nothing that's, terrible, but definitely worth noting for whoever ends up purchasing this truck.
I mean, of course, being an older truck, it does have some small chips and small scratches here and there, but I'm really impressed with the condition. I mean, when I looked over it for the first time, I could just tell it's a truck that's just not had a lot of use for truck things in it.
No, I mean, with 76,000 miles, it's still just getting broken in.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we know all about that. And as for the underside of the truck, it's really clean.
Yeah.
I know there was some minimal surface corrosion, but no real cancer, nothing that you're looking for that would be that would be terrible, to see on this pickup. It shows really well.
Definitely. Yeah, the underside reflects the whole image of the truck, in my opinion. It's clean, it matches everything else.
So as for road feel, the thing drives great. I mean, it just eats the road up. We're, driving on these bumpy roads like we normally do for these test drives, and I think it feels wonderful.
Yeah.
I don't know if you could ask much more from a 1994.
Yeah. It's definitely, not like worn out and stuff as far as suspension and front end. I mean, it still rolls really good, just like even the lower mileage ones that we have. And one thing I do like about the two-wheel drive trucks is that they're coil sprung. I appreciate a two-wheel drive truck when I ride in it. It's way more comfortable.
Definitely. Notice how quiet it is in this cab.
Yeah.
Now we're talking at a normal voice level. It's not extremely loud. Obviously we don't have an exhaust on this truck, but it's not extremely loud. soaks up the road nice. Not a lot. There's no, you know, wind noise coming in the cab from seals or anything being bad. This is an extremely nice pickup.
That's a good point, actually. This one is really quiet, and a lot of them that we, or at least a lot of the ones I've had, you hear the wind noise, you hear the dash creaking and stuff like that. I mean,
I know all about the dash creaking.
Yeah.
Oh
so,
man, my 95, the dash creaks so bad in that truck. Not this one though. This one feels super tight.
This one's solid, man.
Yeah. Let's get into the brakes a little bit. Pedals up high, stopping. Put my blinker on so people can see. Feels good.
Yeah.
Feels nice. Feels exactly as you should.
Feels smooth.
Yes, sir. No pulling to one direction.
Okay. Not bad.
It's a good little motor, man.
Yeah,
They're so good. They're so good. It's 1994, right?
Yeah.
You just bought this off the showroom floor. Feels good.
Yeah.
It's 2026. I just punched it. It's got 76,000 miles on it. It still feels good.
It does,
It's a good truck, man. This is a good truck.
Is. I wish I could go back in time and buy one brand new, but hey, I mean, this is pretty close, right?
This is pretty close, absolutely. Alrighty, and as for the bed on this truck, it's got some wear marks, it's got some love marks, you know. It's got a mat back there, no bed liner. You could always add a spray-in bed liner if it really bugged you. But otherwise, it's not beat or destroyed or anything.
Yeah. I actually, even though I prefer a bed liner for like truck use, I like when I see them without the bed liner because it just shows the true condition.
Sure.
And it's pretty obvious, like there's nothing crazy that's been put back there. I mean, it's been used, I'm sure, for little stuff, but overall it's still clean.
I agree. As for the engine bay, it's the same as we've said, I think, on the last few videos. It's stock.
Yeah.
And it's clean.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
Exactly.
Not much on these trucks. The glass on this truck is actually super nice. I'm having to look for issues. It looks like we might have an issue from a wiper, you know, moving. There might be a little bit of scarring there from a wiper touching the glass, but as for like major cracks, definitely nothing to be concerned about with this pickup.
Yeah.
It's real nice, easy to see out of. The rear view mirror, you see real easy out the back glass. There is a little bit of wear, just like on every single other one that we see. In the center of that rear view mirror, just a little bit of haze. But otherwise, I think that this truck's it shows wonderfully.
I will say, it's got my favorite thing on it, tint. You know, I love my tint.
I know you do.
It does have a few little bubbles here from tint, but overall shows well. I mean, personally, it's not something I would replace unless you just wanted to tint it up more.
Right. So. No, I agree. It's nice to have the tint in here and keep the sun off you a little bit, you know, keep the UVs out. You know I'm a fishbowl guy.
Yeah.
But that's only for looks.
Yeah.
The tint
still
is
looks
good.
Bad.
Whatever
it felt
you say.
nice.
Whatever
it feels
you
in
say,
here right
whatever
now.
you say. Whatever you say, man. That's
People can't
fine,
see me as much, you know.
I know it. I know it. You know, I'm just gonna rip into this 5.0 again. Look at this. Rev out. All right. Just like that. We're at you know, cruising speed.
Yeah.
That quick. I think this is a good one. I think whoever ends up with this truck is going to be extremely happy.
Yeah, me too. It's a really nice example, in my opinion.
You can drive this truck every day. You can drive this truck on the weekends. You know, this is just a good option for kind of anybody.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's honestly getting really hard to find a clean OBS, especially a short bed.
Yeah.
I mean, this one's optioned well. It's good colors. I really like the truck.
Yeah. Well, anyways, once again, thanks for joining us, the OBS boys here at PC Classic Cars in Sherman, Texas. This has been a 1994 F-150. We really enjoyed driving this one. Make sure to check us out on socials. We post every day. Make sure to check out the additional media section on this truck. Once again, you go to our inventory, click the truck, scroll all the way down, check it out. We'll catch you in the next one. We appreciate you.